everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Technika brand dishwasher and it is not working and it's giving you an E1 error and you're wondering, why am I getting this error and what do I need to do about it? So like I said, if you're getting an E1 error, it's also not going to be working, because what the E1 error does is when you start a cycle, the dishwasher tries to fill up with water so that it can run its cycle, and it gives itself a certain amount of time, and after that time is up, if it doesn't have the water it needs, it abandons the cycle and gives you this E1 error. So all you need to do to get rid of this E1 error is to figure out why is water not getting into your dishwasher. And 99% of the time, it's going to have to do with where the water comes into the dishwasher. And it could be anything as far upstream as the water's been turned off to your house, or there's some problem with the water pressure in your house. But more likely it's going to be closer to the dishwasher, like where the intake hose connects to your water. You want to make sure that the faucet is all the way open, the valve is all the way open, all the way to the left, all the way counterclockwise. Make sure it turns until it stops. And then the next thing you want to do is just inspect that hose that goes to the back of the dishwasher and make sure that it's not kinked or bent or smashed anywhere. What will happen, especially if you just installed your dishwasher, is maybe you pushed it up against the wall, and maybe you pushed it up against the wall too hard and it bent, or maybe even smushed or pinched the hose somewhere, and so water can't get into the dishwasher. So if you're able to sort those things out, figure out why the water's not getting to the dishwasher, then water should start getting into the dishwasher. It should start working properly. You'll get rid of this error and everything will be hunky-dory. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.